Okay, so if you want this type of fake messages which says the name, the location of a particular buyer, just to make the prospect feel that the particular product is being purchased a lot, and there is a sense, there is a feel of missing out. You want to add the fear of missing out in the mind of the prospect, and also you want to add the proof of purchase. So this can make the user feel that the product is not fake, just because others are also purchasing. So this adds trustworthiness into your website, although it's fake, but most of the people who visit your website, they don't know how this works, and they feel it's actually true. So if you want this type of fake notifications, I'll be explaining you how, step by step, how you can install this in just few minutes into this WordPress tutorial. For this, you need to go to your WordPress dashboard, and you need to click on plugins, and then you need to go to add new plugin. So for this you need a plugin, and the plugin is called S-Alert, S-A-L-E-R-T. You need to go search, and this is by WP operation, so go ahead and install it and give it few seconds to install. It might take maybe 20 seconds, 10 20 seconds based on your internet connection, but it will eventually install. And post installation you need to activate it, and after you activate it, there will be an option in the menu which is called S-Alert into the left side panel. If you don't see it, just refresh it, refresh the admin panel, and just click on S-Alert, and here you have the magical plugin, and there are different options. I'll make you walk through each of them. So initially it will be disabled, so you need to enable the pop-up, and this is the start time. So this decides when your pop-up will be showed initially, and this much time it will stay on the display, and this is the interval between different pop-ups. So the duration is random, just to make sure the user doesn't feel it's made or fake. And this is the position of the pop-up. This is the animation style. You can choose different animation style. You can see the preview up above. You can put roll in, and you can change the location on the image, or you can just put text only, and you can choose the size, image design. So this is circle and this is square, so I'll just put it text only and hit save. Now for the design settings, you can change the background color. Here I'll just put it maybe orange, and you can either enable or disable the close button. I'll recommend to enable it, just because if user might be disturbed by this, they could just close it. And you could choose other settings, which I won't recommend you changing, because this plugin is very delicate and sensitive, and if you change these settings and there will be some technical issue. Most likely there will be some technical issue with the plugins. I also have seen many problems with the plugin. So and you'll just stuck. There is no reset settings option as well, so you cannot reset it. Even if you uninstall this plugin, the settings will stay the same, so you will be left to go nowhere. So I would not recommend to change any of these numbers except for the colors and this basic settings. So maybe I'll just put it right here, and you can enable or disable shadows. You can change the border. I would not recommend to change anything, just disable it and save the settings. Many times, even if you save the settings, the changes won't be visible to you right here. As you can see, if I just refresh it, let's see if the changes is visible. Now see, the changes are visible to me. Initially it was the pop-up was displayed at the bottom right, but now it's displayed. Now let's see if it, okay, it's I can cut it. Okay, great. And if I just experiment it with this color, let's see if the settings are, see the changes right now. See, the settings haven't taken into place, they haven't got into action immediately, so maybe you need to refresh it sometimes, and even after that you might not see the changes, so you need to wait for it. I would just recommend you just interfere with these basic things, just these options and these colors and all these small things and this time. And except for this time and animation, don't interfere with this container width or inner padding or with this border and these shadows. And you can save it, and here you can change the name, you can add name, you can add the country, and then it will write it in this format: name XYZ from XYZ country has purchased. So this is how it looks. I hope you like the video. This is very useful for e-com brands. So still it haven't changed, got the update. I hope you like the video.